Exfoliate. To remove dead skin cells. I exfoliate my face twice a week. This scrub gently exfoliates your skin. To exfoliate. Moisturize. To apply cream to keep skin hydrated. You should moisturize after washing your face. This lotion moisturizes very dry skin. To moisturize. Cleanse. To wash and purify the skin. I cleanse my face every morning. This gel cleanses oily skin well. To cleanse. Tone. To use toner to balance skin. She tones her face after cleansing. This product tones and tightens pores. To tone. Wax. To remove hair with wax. I waxed my eyebrows yesterday. She waxes her legs every month. To wax. Thread. To remove hair with a twisted cotton thread. I thread my eyebrows at the salon. She threads her upper lip regularly. To thread. Tweeze. To remove hair with tweezers. She tweezed a few stray brows. I tweeze my eyebrows at home. To tweeze. Bleach. To lighten hair or dark areas. She bleached the hair on her arms. Some people bleach facial hair. To bleach. Trim. To cut a small amount to shape hair. I trimmed my bangs. He trims his beard every weekend. To trim. Style. To arrange hair in a particular way. The hairdresser styled her hair beautifully. She styled her curls with gel. To style. Curl. To make hair curly. She curled her hair for the party. I use a curling iron to curl my bangs. To curl. Straighten. To make hair straight. I straighten my hair every morning. She straightened her hair with a flat iron. To straighten. Dye. To color hair. She dyed her hair blonde. I want to dye my hair brown. To dye. Highlight. To add lighter streaks to hair. She highlighted her hair for a fresh look. The stylist highlighted the front pieces. To highlight. Condition. To apply conditioner to soften hair. I condition my hair after shampooing. This mask conditions dry hair deeply. To condition. Polish, nails. To apply colored nail polish. I polished my nails red. The salon polished her toes beautifully. To polish. File. To shape nails with a nail file. She filed her nails into a square shape. I need to file these rough edges. To file. Buff. To smooth and shine nails. She buffed her nails to make them glossy. The manicurist buffed each nail gently. To buff. Soak. To keep hands or feet in warm liquid. They soaked her feet before the pedicure. I soak my hands to soften the cuticles. To soak. Massage. To rub muscles to relax. She massaged my shoulders gently. I booked a back massage. To massage. Plump. To make lips or skin fuller. This gloss plumps her lips. The serum plumps fine lines. To plump. Brighten. To make skin look lighter and glowing. Vitamin C brightens dull skin. This cream brightens dark areas. To brighten. Prime. To prepare skin before makeup. I primed my face before foundation. This primer smooths pores. To prime. Contour. To add makeup shadows to shape the face. She contoured her cheeks. I use a stick to contour my nose. To contour. Microblade. Semi-permanent eyebrow tattooing. She microbladed her eyebrows. Microblading gives natural brows. To microblade.